Welcome to Money Minds. Have you ever wondered what makes a successful investor? What principles guide their decision-making process? In the vast and intricate world of investing, these questions often echo. The answers, however, can be found in the wisdom of those who've traversed this terrain with exceptional success. One such luminary is Charlie Munger. Charlie Munger wasn't just Warren Buffett's trusted business partner, but also an indispensable navigator in the journey of Berkshire Hathaway. From 1965 to 2022, Munger played a pivotal role in steering the company towards an astounding annual stock return of 19.8%. His acumen, coupled with his wit, has left an indelible mark on the world investing. Munger's wisdom extends beyond the realm of finance. He popularized the concept of mental models, emphasizing the need to study a plethora of disciplines for making informed decisions. He championed the practice of inversion, a principle that cautions against forming opinions without considering all perspectives. This humility to admit the inability to predict the future with absolute certainty was a cornerstone of Munger and Buffett's success. Yet the root of Munger's wisdom was his insatiable appetite for knowledge. He was a voracious reader, an ardent advocate for lifelong learning across diverse subjects. His wisdom inspired countless individuals to become not just better investors, but also astute decision-makers. So, are you ready to delve into the reservoir of Munger's wisdom? Join us today as we unravel the 5 essential pieces of advice from one of the greatest minds in investing history, Charlie Munger. First off, Charlie once said, "Spend each day trying to be a little wiser than you were when you woke up." This wisdom underscores the essence of continuous learning and growth. Charlie Munger was a voracious reader, a lifelong learner who believed in the power of knowledge. He didn't confine himself to one discipline but embraced a multidisciplinary approach. He believed that understanding diverse fields provides a richer and more comprehensive perspective, a concept he referred to as mental models. In the world of investing, continuous learning can make all the difference. It's about staying ahead of the curve, understanding market trends, and learning from the successes and failures of others. It's about gaining insights into different industries, economies, and cultures. It's also about learning from your own experiences, analyzing your decisions, and continually refining your strategies. But Munger's wisdom extends beyond investing. It's a life philosophy. Every day presents a new opportunity to learn something, to grow, to become wiser. It's about embracing curiosity, cultivating an open mind, and never losing the thirst for knowledge. As Munger demonstrated, the key to success lies in continuous learning and self-improvement. Charlie Munger advised us to invert, always invert. This principle is a cornerstone of Munger's philosophy, and it's as simple as it is profound. Inversion is about flipping the script, turning the problem on its head. Instead of asking, "How do I succeed?" ask, "How do I avoid failure?" This shift in perspective can dramatically alter the way we approach problems, decisions, and life itself. Consider a chess player. Rather than solely focusing on their next winning move, a great player will also contemplate how they could potentially lose. This approach allows them to anticipate challenges and pitfalls, helping them make better decisions and ultimately increasing their chances of winning. In the world of investing, the principle of inversion holds equally true. Instead of exclusively concentrating on the potential gains, wise investors also ponder the possible losses. They assess the risks, consider worst-case scenarios, and take steps to mitigate these potential hazards. This process doesn't guarantee success, but it significantly reduces the chances of failure. Inversion can be applied to almost any decision-making process, from personal choices to business strategies. It encourages us to think critically, challenge our assumptions, and consider all angles before making a decision. It's not about being pessimistic, it's about being pragmatic and prepared. The beauty of inversion is that it's not just a tool for decision-making but a philosophy for life. It reminds us that success is not just about ambition and achievement, but also about avoiding mistakes and learning from our failures. It encourages us to be humble, to acknowledge our limitations, and to always strive for improvement. By focusing on how to avoid failure, we can make better decisions and increase our chances of success. So, the next time you're faced with a decision, remember Charlie Munger's wisdom: invert, always invert. It could make all the difference. Charlie believed that the best way to get ahead is to be the best. It's a simple yet profound insight that can shape the way we approach our endeavors. Striving for excellence isn't about being perfect. It's about being better today than you were yesterday. It's about pushing your boundaries, learning from your mistakes, and continuously improving. In the world of investing, for instance, focusing on excellence can mean deepening your understanding of market trends, honing your analytical skills, or perhaps cultivating the patience to wait for the right investment opportunity. It's not about competing with others, but about competing with your past self, surpassing your own standards. Charlie Munger's pursuit of excellence was evident in his investment decisions. He didn't seek quick wins or short-term gains. Instead, he invested in companies that demonstrated excellence in their operations, their leadership, and their vision for the future. He believed that such companies were more likely to yield long-term success. This wisdom applies not just in investing, but in all areas of life. Whether you're a student, a professional, an artist, or an entrepreneur, striving for excellence can set you apart. It can open doors to opportunities and pave the way for success. Excellence speaks for itself. Focus on being the best, and success will follow. Charlie once said, "Take a simple idea and take it seriously." This nugget of wisdom from the legendary investor can be a game changer, not only in the realm of investing, but in all aspects of life. We often search for complex solutions to our problems, thinking that complexity equals sophistication. But in reality, the simplest ideas, when taken seriously and pursued consistently, often yield the greatest results. Consider, for instance, the concept of compound interest, a simple yet powerful principle that has been the backbone of many successful investment strategies. It's a straightforward idea. The returns on your investment generate their own returns. Yet, when applied consistently over time, it can lead to exponential growth of your wealth. This principle doesn't just apply to finance. Think about your personal or professional goals. Maybe you want to improve your health, learn a new skill, or grow your business. Rather than seeking out the newest trends or shortcuts, consider focusing on simple, proven strategies and applying them consistently. A healthy diet and regular exercise for better health, deliberate practice for skill acquisition, or exceptional customer service for business growth. Simple ideas, but with major impacts when taken seriously. Charlie Munger himself was a testament to the power of simplicity and consistency. He didn't jump from one investment fad to another. Instead, he focused on understanding businesses deeply and investing in those with strong fundamentals and long-term potential. He applied his principles consistently, and the results speak for themselves. So let's take this wisdom to heart. Don't let the allure of complexity distract you from the power of simplicity. And remember, consistency is key. It's not just about understanding a simple idea, but about taking it seriously, day in and day out. Don't overlook the basics. Simplicity and consistency can be powerful tools for achieving success. Finally, Charlie's advice was to spend less than you make, always be saving something. This principle is the cornerstone of financial success. It's the idea of living below your means. Now, this doesn't mean scrimping on every penny or foregoing all pleasures. Rather, it's about making wise decisions that prioritize long-term financial stability over instant gratification. Think of it this way. Every dollar you save is a dollar invested in your future. It's a safety net, a stepping stone towards your financial goals, be they retirement, a dream house, or even the freedom to pursue your passions. This principle can lead to a life free of financial stress and full of growth opportunities. By employing a disciplined approach to spending and saving, you're not just protecting your current self, but you're also looking out for your future self. Remember, wealth isn't just about how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. By living below our means and always saving, we can secure our financial future. Charlie Munger's wisdom transcends beyond investing. His 5 quintessential pieces of advice offer profound insights into decision-making, investing, and life itself. Let's recap. First, the importance of continuous learning. Striving to be wiser each day fuels growth and innovation. Second, the power of inversion. By considering how to avoid failure, we can make better decisions and achieve success. Third, the pursuit of excellence. Focusing on being the best in your field eliminates the need for comparison and competition. Fourth, the simplicity and consistency of ideas. A simple idea, taken seriously, can lead to extraordinary results. And lastly, the principle of living below your means. Spending less than what you earn and consistently saving can pave the way for financial success. Each piece of advice holds a profound truth that can transform the way we think about investing in life. Follow these valuable pieces of advice from Charlie Munger, and you'll be on the path to a wiser and more successful life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Charlie Munger's wisdom. We've explored 5 essential pieces of advice from this legendary figure, each offering unique and insightful perspectives on investing and life. But what's the use of wisdom if we don't put it into action? We encourage you to reflect on these principles and find ways to integrate them into your daily life. Whether it's committing to continuous learning, adopting the practice of inversion, striving for excellence, embracing simplicity and consistency, or living below your means, each principle holds the potential to bring positive change and success. Remember, the journey to wisdom is a lifelong process, and every step counts. So let's take these lessons from Charlie Munger and apply them to our lives for a better, wiser, and more successful future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep investing wisely.